Good morning, students. There is a novel prescribed in your syllabus named Mayor of Casterbridge. This novel is written by Thomas Hardy, who is regarded as the greatest gem of Victorian age. Thomas Hardy, he belongs to Victorian age and he was born in 1840 at the place named Dorset in England. Thomas Hardy, a great Victorian realist, he was deeply influenced by Romanticism, and he was deeply motivated by William Wordsworth in writing poetry. Thomas Hardy survived up to 1928 and he died at the same place, Dorset in England. Hardy's genre of writing was poetry because he had a great literary bent for writing poetry, but he got great fame and acclaim in novel writing. In novel writing, his famous novels or magnum opus are Far from the Madding Crowd, which was written in 1874. His another famous novel was Mayor of Casterbridge, which is there in your syllabus. It was written in 1886. Another very, very popular novel, Tess of the D'Urbervilles, it was written in 1891. And last but not least, Jude the Obscure, which was written in 1895. He wrote many novels, but these are some of his famous novels. After his death, Hardy's poetry was greatly applauded by Ezra Pound, W. H. Auden. Now, the characters of Hardy in his novels, they are essentially tragic. So he wrote very pathetic, very tragic characters. He portrayed in such a manner that the characters they were themselves responsible for their destiny, for their tragic end. So their characters are set in Wessex region. So his novels are known as Wessex novels, and Wessex is a semi-fictional region coined by Thomas Hardy himself. So his novels are known as Wessex novels. Thomas Hardy was very pessimistic in his outlook, and he once told that happiness is but an episode in the general drama of pain. So this was his philosophy. He described sad conditions as sad situations, and his characters were essentially tragic, and destiny or fate played very important role in his novels. Thank you.